The VCS extension identifies a VCALENDAR event file containing calendar event data in the legacy VCALENDAR interchange format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, import, or convert these calendar data files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky VCS errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. VCS files are calendar event files using the VCALENDAR 1.0 format, storing appointment and scheduling data, including event titles, dates, times, locations, descriptions, and recurrence rules. They are the predecessor to the modern ICS iCalendar format used for calendar data exchange. VCALENDAR VCS files use a plain text format with begin VCALENDAR and end VCALENDAR wrappers, containing VEVENT objects with properties including DTSTART, DTEND summary description, location, and rule for recurring event definitions. Microsoft Outlook, developed by Microsoft Corporation, serves as the industry application standard for VCS. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can show basic details, but a shortcut only works if its target still exists. To force the file open, right-click your VCS file and select Open With. If Microsoft Outlook is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your VCS file still refuses to open, stay calm. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the VCS error. First, opening the file. Double-click the VCS file to open it in your default calendar application. Microsoft Outlook. Google Calendar and Apple Calendar all support VCALENDAR import. The event details are displayed for review before adding to your calendar collection. Next, importing to modern calendars. Rename the VCS file to ICS if your calendar application does not recognize the VCS extension. Most modern calendar applications import both formats identically. Upload to Google Calendar via Settings, then import or drag onto Apple Calendar. Finally, converting to ICS. VCS VCALENDAR 1.0 and ICS iCalendar 2.0 formats are structurally similar. Rename VCS to ICS for basic compatibility. For proper conversion update version, headers and property syntax differences using a text editor. Most calendar applications handle both formats transparently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagic.com for the program. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.